What's up, guys? I felt like making magwinya, so let's get into it. In a bowl, add some yeast and 2 cups of warm water into the bowl with yeast, of course. Now you're gonna mix that nice and thoroughly just to make sure that everything is nicely melted in there and ready for use. Now you're gonna put that on the side, grab another bowl and grab your flour. Go ahead and add like 3 cups of flour. Actually, add 4 because I made a mistake. Oh my gosh, I'm so silly. Add 4. You're supposed to add about 4 cups of flour. Now add a teaspoon of salt and go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Obviously into the flour. Hello. Now mix it up. Mix. Make sure everything is thoroughly mixed, please. Perfect. Now go ahead and add your cooking oil. About 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, please. You are free to use any kind of cooking oil that you like. And yeah, now you can go ahead and grab back that mixture and add it into the flour. Look at that. So beautiful. Now this is when I noticed that I made a little mistake. Like I said, you're supposed to add about like 4 cups of flour, and so I just decided to add my flour on top, and I was adding little by little, gradually, of course. And when I was happy with my consistency, I started cooking. So to make this magwinya, you need to deep fry it in hot oil, and yeah, for 5 minutes. Turn over, just make sure it's golden brown. And after mixing, obviously you need to add some cling wrap on top, just to let the dough rest and rise, and add a clean dishcloth on top and let it rest for an hour. And then this is me after. See, I forgot to film the cooking process, but this is how they will look after. They're supposed to be like round and like really amazing, but hey, this was my first time. Okay, so you don't judge me, but I was happy overall. They tasted amazing. Literally tasted so amazing. Yo, I'll perfect it, but bye.